How to allow contacts only to call or message you while Do Not Disturb is on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. From the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Next, in the settings page, we then scroll down and tap on notifications. After that, tap on Do Not Disturb. Then in here, we go down and tap on calls and messages. Next, go down to the also allow section and tap on calls. From the pop-up, tap on contacts only. So this is for calls. Then we go down and tap on messages. And in here, tap on contacts only. This is for messages. And that's it. So from now on, anyone in your contacts will be able to call you or message you when Do Not Disturb is turned on. And that's it. After that, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.